So transpose the formula V, which is equal to, I write in the formula that CXC gave us, right? They gave us V is equal to U plus AT. Everybody good there?
Yeah.
They want us to make A the subject. So we want the anything with A in it, we want to leave it on the right hand side. So what do we move? We're going to move the
T.
No, we can't move the T first.
I move the U.
You gotta move the U. So this is plus U. When plus U comes to the side, what it becomes? So we put back the people V first, right? So this will be V minus U is equal to what remains on the right? AT. So you want to make A the subject. So what we need to get rid of now here? T. When we carry T here, what do we do with it? Divide. So let's go. So this is going to be V minus U divided by T is equal to A. Is A now the subject of my formula? Yes. A is on one side by itself, so it is the subject. This is homework, right? So people should just be making. Yeah, go ahead now. So we got a question here where we need to make R the subject of this formula, right? The only thing is, right. So we want to rearrange this formula to make R the subject. Now, one thing you must understand, you cannot move anything that is in this fraction here until, or not until, but before you move this. You must move this X here. Now, this is plus X. What happens to plus X when it goes to the right? It becomes a, so this will be P minus X is equal to 2Y over 3. Now, Y is in the denominator position. So in order to work out or to make Y the subject of the formula, we must move this R from any denominator position. So when you move it here, what do you do with it? What's the opposite of divide? It's being divided on the right.
Multiply.
So it's going to be R multiplied by P minus X is equal to 2Y. Everybody good there?
Yes, sir.
Now, we need to make R the subject. So the last thing we need to move here is this P minus X. Now, if R is being multiplied by P minus X, what do you do with P minus X when you carry it to the right? Divide, right? So this will be R is equal to 2Y all over P minus X. So is R now the subject of my formula?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Right. So we go down to this one now. Now we have R is equal to this expression here. They gave us, they want us to calculate the value of, R when P is equal to 6, Q is equal to 12, right? So R would be equal to, I put in what is above there, 2P squared over Q minus 3. But question, what is P equal to? P is equal to 6. So they want us to find R. So we are going to apply substitution here. So this will be 2, and instead of P, what am I putting? What is P equal to? 6. Boom. Right? So it's going to be P by 6 squared all over, what is Q? 12. Excellent. So it'll be 12 minus 3. So let's work out the numerator. Hey, right, bro. Right. Let's work out the numerator. 6 squared would be 36 multiplied by 2. So we're going to have 72 divided by 9, which is equal to what? 72 divided by 9. 72 divided by 9 will give me 8.
40.
Now, we found what R is. That is R, right? R is equal to this. But the next part of the question is asking us to rearrange this formula. So I'm going to write over the formula. Here what I need to do, I need to write back this formula. So it will be R is equal to 2P squared over Q minus 3. So R will be equal to 2P squared over Q minus 3. Now I want to make Q the subject. So what I need to do is I need to take Q minus 3 and carry it here. What do I do with it when I carry it to the right? Divide or multiply. So this will be R by Q minus 3 is equal to 2P squared. Right? Now I need to make Q the subject. So what I told you all is like that R is holding what is in the brackets captive, right? So I need to take this r, carry it to this side, and what do I do with it if it's being multiplied here? What do I do with it on the next side? So I drop my brackets, you'll have q minus 3 is equal to 2p squared all over r. And then what's the last thing I want to move if I need to make q the subject here, my children? What's the last thing to move? 3. When I move 3 over here, what do I do with it? Divide. Q is equal to 2p squared over r plus 3. The opposite of minus is to add. Copy that. Right, let go. So now we have s equals to a half. Now something about this t in the back there I could do is I could actually put this t next to this 1/2. So it'd be a half t multiplied by u plus v, right? I edited the original equation to make it this, right? Now, I need to make u the subject. What is holding those brackets captive there? What do I need to move? The half t. When I carry 1/2 t here, what do I do to it? No, it's being multiplied here. Divide. So it'll be a half t equals, so you can drop the brackets down, so it'll be u plus v. What do I want to make the subject here again? V, you'll see that up there? U. So what do I need to move from this side? What do I need to move from this side? Yeah. Oh, I'll get my ease up there. Get my ease up. Let go. So what do I move now? I want to make you the subject, so I need to move. What do I do with V when I carry it here? I divide? Multiply. Somebody saying add. Multiply. What do you do with the V on the right hand side? What am I doing with it here? Subtracting. Right, you're subtracting when you're going to the next side. So there should be minus V is equal to U. Right, so they want us to make C the subject of the formula, right? So we have F. We have F is equal to 9 over 5C plus 32, right? Now, what do I need to move first if I want to make C the subject of this formula? The 32, excellent. When I carry 32 to this side, what do I do with it? So it'll be F subtract 32 is equal to 9 over 5C. Now, I want to make C the subject, so what's the last thing I need to move here? 9 over 5 is being multiplied on this side, right? So what do I do with it when I carry to this side? So it'll be F minus 32 divided by 9 over 5 is equal to C. Alright? So C is now the subject of that formula. Now in the next part they said, given F is equal to 113, calculate the value of C. But we already have above that C is equal to F minus 32 all over 9 over 5, right? So F is equal to 113, right? So let's replace C is equal to 113, take away 32 all over 9 over 5. 113 plus minus 32 will be what? Give me that answer there. 81. 81. So C will be equal to 81 divided by 9 over 5. So do 81 divided by 9 over 5 and tell me what you are getting. 81 divided by 9 over 5. Let's just put the answer here and we're done, right? 45 is my final answer. Right? So that is the end of transposition.